Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Orca card to your Apple wallet. So you can do this for any transit card, right? So for the Orca card, this is what you do, right? On your iPhone, you open up the wallet app, tap on the add button, the plus button right here, okay? Tap on a transit card, and then you want to choose a card from the list. You can search by location or card name. So in this case, you want to search Orca card, and then once you find it, go ahead and tap on continue and tap on transfer existing card. You can enter your card number and any other required information. And then all you need to do is just place your transit card on a flat surface and rest, the top of your iPhone on the card until you see card added on the screen. Now this process could take a few minutes to complete. So this is what you do for your iPhone. For your Apple Watch, you just go ahead and open up the Apple Watch app, and in the My Watch tab, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. And then go ahead and tap on Add Card, and then tap Transit Card. Same process, just search for the Orca card. Once you find it, click on that, tap on Continue, and then tap on the Transfer Existing Card. Same way, enter your card number, other information, place your transit card on a flat surface and rest on top of your iPhone on the card until you see, the card added on the screen. And this process could take, a few minutes to complete. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.